Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 887, and today's topic is in continuation of white pigment. And previously I have discussed the lead white, that is white pigment, and today I am discussing the other white pigment that is called zinc oxide. And zinc oxide is a very stable and good shining white pigment with very good quality, and it is not having the disadvantage what lead white is having. It is not showing any reaction with any atmospheric gases, and also the dust and other dirt are not settling down, so it can maintain its white shining color. Mainly there are two methods used to manufacture globally. One is known as American method and second one is known as French method. And here the ores are used and special design furnace. I have already given in diagram those American furnaces to burn and then cool and then separate zinc, and then again the mixture of carbon monoxide, carbon and other gases in order to get the zinc oxide. So all these reactions I will be giving. So here I have given what type of reactions are taking place in chamber and furnaces, and how that ore is reduced into zinc, and then again zinc is converted into zinc oxide in presence of carbon and in presence of carbon monoxide. So all these reactions in the furnace is given here. So the American process, this is one of the American process what I have given here, and here the main reaction is that how zinc will combine with oxygen and there will be formation of ZNO, and this carbon monoxide what it is produced will combine with O2 and there will be carbon dioxide. So number one, zinc oxide, that is ZNO, is another important white pigment having higher covering power than white lead. So this zinc oxide white pigment quality is far superior as compared to white lead because it is not showing any reaction with atmospheric gases. It is pure white in color, is unaffected by gases in the atmosphere. It is soluble in acids. Zinc oxide is soluble in acidic medium, but it is insoluble in ions, and its film is hard and brittle on the surface. Number two, it is necessary to obtain pure white zinc oxide, and the American method of manufacturing zinc oxide is directly by the ore, by use of ore, and that ore is franklinite, is a mixture of oxides of zinc, manganese and iron. And here zinc is 16%, manganese is 14%, and iron is 42%. That is in the ore. And ore is crushed, and treatment will remove the waste material, and it is burned especially in design furnace, and it is reduces ZNO, zinc oxide, into zinc by the action of carbon. ZNO plus C carbon will react and it will be reduced to zinc, and there will be formation of carbon monoxide, and here it is again reduced further in presence of carbon monoxide, and it will be ZNO plus CO, Zn plus CO2. So the oxygen oxidizes zinc vapor into zinc oxide and carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide in combustion chamber. So that reaction is given 2Zn plus O2, 2ZNO and 2CO plus O2, 2CO2. This is the main reaction what is happening in the chamber of combustion. and in this way the raw material or franklinite is converted into white pigment, and that is your zinc oxide. And number 3 is another American method of manufacturing of white pigment, that is zinc oxide. It is known as electrothermic zinc oxide furnace. That is American process. The diagram is given here. It will be zoomed. And number 3, the electrothermic furnace is about 36 feet high and 57 inch in diameter, in internal diameter, and it can hold about 55 tons of charge. The furnace is providing with air entering, and the upper and lower electrodes, those 2 electrodes which are there, upper and lower, are inserted, and the gases coming out of furnace is zinc vapor, and it is carbon monoxide which are oxidized by air and entering the furnace, and in this way your zinc is converted into zinc oxide. Number 4, French process. This method of manufacturing white pigment consists of vaporizing zinc spelter, either zinc or spelter. Spelter contains 97 to 98% zinc and 1.4 to 1.6% lead and 0.1% iron. There are some traces of cadmium as an impurity in a reactor with indirect heat and carbon dioxide gas, and then it is oxidizing the both will be oxidized, zinc as well as carbon dioxide. By means of a current of preheated air in combustion chamber. That air is introduced in combustion chamber, the cylindrical one, and that is preheated, and that is responsible of oxidizing both zinc vapor as well as carbon monoxide. In other words, metallic zinc is first vaporized and then finally oxidized to, its reaction is given 2Zn plus O2, 2ZnO. So this zinc oxide is formed. 1 ton of zinc oxide can be prepared by making use of 1,750 pounds of spelter, 1,400 pounds of coal, and 35 kilowatt hour of electricity is required. Properties of white pigment, that is zinc oxide, it is having covering power of 400, that is 42 square meter per 10 kg. Refractive index is 2, and ion absorption is from 13 to 25 mg oil per 100 milligram pigment. Tinting strength is 210. Specific gravity is much less as compared to lead white, and lead white is having 6.7 to 6.8 specific gravity, and this your zinc oxide is much less than the lead white.